Good afternoon, Bob from Trade Genius here. It's February 3rd. Market just closed, and what a wild day, and a very profitable day for us. And what I want to do is first go into SPY. And when I was posting earlier on my blog, there were two numbers that were of interest. The high that we had earlier in the week, if the stock broke out above that, we're looking to go back up to the new highs here. And if it broke below this line here, which is a retrace from the low, we can look to be going back down to here. And what the market did today was it started off trying to push up to this line, and then it got sold off and it stopped it right on this line. This is a line in the sand for a lot of people, and if this thing goes, we're really going to sell off. But it just bounced around between these two areas, and we're kind of now stuck in a range. But the market's showing here that it topped. My signal's saying it topped. It's already getting overbought again, and it's made a lower high. So I'm thinking it's going to break out anytime soon. But let me talk about some of the trades that we took and closed today. And the first one being BIS. We got into this yesterday on a buy signal, and we got in at 46 yesterday, and we closed it at 48 today. Made a quick 4% and got out. And for that trade, I was stepping down into the hourly for my signal, and so I caught this right about here when it started breaking out yesterday, and held it all the way through this pop, and we got out. And this is a trade that I'm going to do over and over and over again. It's been very profitable for me. We had a trade earlier in the year that we made a quick 12%. We did it right here, and it's setting up for us again. So we're in an uptrend, and we'll keep letting this set up for us and keep making higher lows, and we'll keep taking the trade. Another trade that I've been in for a while is GLD, and I just closed it, and I got in on it down here, and I think high right here was 106.50 areas where I bought it, and I have to look on my notes. But I closed it here at 108.90 something. And the only reason why I closed it, it's in a nice uptrend, is that the Thursday before the payroll report, they usually push gold down pretty hard. And I figured I had a good profit in it, so I took it, and I'll be ready to get back into this thing as soon as possible, because I think gold now is going to have a secular move higher. The other trade that I took that I got into yesterday at 14 on this buy signal, and I closed it at the end of the day here at 15.30, and nice trade for us. And again, the only reason why I sold it was the same reason that I sold gold. So 3 nice trades, 3 nice profit. The only trade that I'm in that's counter trend right now is oil, and just because it's been beaten down so much, and on a monthly basis, it's actually made a turn. I think it's going to probably push up to the $35-40 a barrel area, and once that's done, then it can probably resume its slide back down again. And that's it for the recap today. I'll probably post some more things later, and if I see anything interesting overnight. Good night.